Maybe you did, maybe you knew, maybe you didn't, but the most famous Welsh song for Christmas is Deck the Halls. That is a Welsh one. You can't do a Welsh concert at Christmas time and not sing Deck the Halls. But there is something, believe it or not, that you don't know about Deck the Halls. So we're actually going to sing it twice for you. Once in English, and then we're going to sing it again in Welsh, and we'll tell you why it's different. Can't clap yet. So, I know you want to. So that's how we know it, okay? Believe it or not, in Wales, this is not a Christmas song. This is a New Year's song. And it has very specific instructions on how to behave and prepare for the new year. Our resident Welsh expert behind me in costume, Sean Frick, is going to give you the translation of the Welsh once I give it to her. You have it?
Yes.
Come closer.
Right. So, oer i'r gŵr sy'n methu caru. Cold is the man who does not love. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hen fynyddoedd annwyl Cymru. The dear old mountains of Wales. Iddo vai car gynhesaf, to him and his dearest ones, fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, wylia llawen flwyddyn nesaf. Happy New Year for the next year. I'r helbilys, oed i'r biliau. The bills that come along are very cold at this time of year. Sydd yn dyfod yn y gwyliau, the ones that come in the holidays. Fa-la-la-la-la, gwrando bregeth lewn I pennill. Listen to a bregeth, a preaching within one pennill. Anybody remember what pennill is? Fa-la-la-la-la. Byth na waria fwy na pennill. Never spend more than you earn. Oer yw'r aira ar Eryri. The snow is cold on the mountains of Snowdon. Fod gwrthban gwranin arni, although they have a warm blanket on. Fa-la-la-la-la. Oer yw'r bobl na o faran. Cold are the people who do not take care. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gwrdd a'i gilydd ar nos galan, to meet together on New Year's Eve. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Thank you, Sean. So word to the wise, don't spend more than you can earn, and don't be nasty because it's New Year's.